Hey, what's up? It's Jordan at Hot Bike, and we're going to show you how we haul our motorcycles in the back of our Sprinter van. So we've been hauling motorcycles for quite a while. Most of the time we go to events with all of our event stuff. We got a 10x10, we have magazines, merch. None of that stuff fits on the back of a bike. But when we do bring our Sprinter van, we like to bring a bike so we can ride around wherever we're going. But we found a really cool solution with the Black Widow ramps and this Black Widow Chock, and then these max tie-downs to where it's a great way to get a bike in the back of a Sprinter or a truck or a trailer, whatever you need to haul your bike with. But this seems to work really well for us. So we're going to show you how we do it, and maybe it'll help you next time you go to an event or go anywhere where you need to haul your motorcycle. So I really like the design of this Black Widow ramp because it's three-piece aluminum design, allows us to break it apart. But what I love most is that I can ride my motorcycle up it. And I feel secure. I don't feel like it's gonna break or explode when it's underneath me and I'm on the ramp. I've never had any issues, knock on wood, but this has always worked. And I learned this trick back from the Arch motorcycle days when I used to haul very expensive, very cool motorcycles. And it just seemed to work, and I stick with it. So use this Black Widow three-piece ramp. It's got a little center beam, a little I-beam that you can put through for a little more stability. I always ratchet strap the middle of the ramps down to an anchor point on the vehicle, whatever it is. So back here in the Sprinter, I'm using it kind of on the frame of the bumper, and that way I know like this thing's not going to go anywhere once I put the force of the motorcycle in motion up the ramp. So that's essentially it. Now it's time to get on the bike, ride it up, tie it down, and you're good to go. All right, so now we got the bike in the Chock. Time to tighten up the tie downs. We got the soft straps here attached to the highway bar, and I like to go through both loops and then take the max tie down, get that set up, and you'll kind of cinch it, just maybe 1 or 2 clicks. Okay, 3, feel it. Then you go to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, so here we got the other side, same thing, highway bar, soft strap, max tie down through the 2 loops of the soft strap, cinch it down. We're gonna go back and forth. We're gonna go, get as much tension over here as you can, and then you'll go kind of back and forth until it's totally tight. So I'm just tying off the excess, this loop, your little thing. That kind of shit drives me nuts. So I just leave that a certain way, and then I come over here and do the same thing on that side. And that's it. And you can see this thing's not going anywhere. It's secure. The wheel chock plus the max tie downs. This thing's super secure. A lot of people tie the rear end down. I never have. So do whatever is, comfortable for you, whatever you feel is safe. Many ways to skin a cat here, but this is how we do it, and it's always worked. So check out blackwidowpro.com, and you can get all this stuff from this video.